good to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we want to re-emphasize that this system maintenance is completed. Now, it's good to note this wasn't how the system was before. As at the time we came here, it's basically pure maintenance. If we play the video of how this place was looking like when we came in, we discovered that there is a total overhauling in the maintenance. There were wires scattered everywhere. This was not here before, and all the established breakers, surges, digital voltage regulators, and all were not here before. All this were not here before. This was not here before. So now we decided to reconfigure the system, and it is completed. We've been able to do it 100% completed. So now, but there is something very interesting that we want to establish here, which is one of the reasons why we always advise clients to make sure that they didn't play with having surges, breakers when they are doing installation, or when anybody is doing installation for them. About 3 cables that came from different pipes, as seen here on the ground, was used as power cable, supply cable for output, and all were connected to this very output source for the load. And it was serving all the while. And when we finished our connections, we discovered that only for when we now decided to power the house, the energy was returning. And we decided to find out what could be the reason, since we did not mix any cable. And finally, we discovered that one of the cables that was serving as load, which was connected to this place, was a neutral cable that was used by the first installer to now do supply, while the supply was now used as neutral. So the power was now as neutral, while the neutral was now as a supply. So it was causing a short circuit that was making the energy to return back. And you can see it passed through all these other ones, but the digital voltage regulator could not allow it to pass. But it has always been working when this thing was not here. And the owners of the house never noticed that there was a short circuit occurrence in the house. So, and we've been able to rectify it. The energy, the power, everything has been loaded as should, and everything is working perfectly as should. So when next you are doing installation, or you want somebody to do installation for you, make sure you have all these accessories installed. One, to help save your inverter, to help save your MPPT controller, and to help save, in fact, the totality of the system, all the components. It is better you do the needful. Carry out due diligence when you are doing this. Don't take it as a joke, because if you didn't do it, you may end up regretting it. But we pray that whenever anybody is doing this kind of thing, should take it serious, because if you do your installation without these things, I promise you, at the end of time, you will be the one that will tell the story. So as it stands, the house is loaded, the corrections has been made, and everything is working fine. The system is working normal. Nothing is wrong with the inverter. So, thank you. Like we used to do it, reach out to the Just Empire. We are always there for you. Elder, thank you.